Hello, my name's Jason and welcome to the Clothesline Store. In this short video, we're going to go through some key points when selecting a double folding clothesline. A double folding clothesline is effectively two clotheslines in one, and for this reason they are typically more expensive than a single folding frame. They're uniquely designed and ideal for narrow spaces and walkways where space is a premium. We'll look at this a little further in the next slide. Typically, they are believed to have more hanging space, but often they don't. They have the same amount of hanging space as a single frame. They're often misapplied as they are never folded down or the split lines taken full advantage of. In this slide, we can see on the far left the clothesline in its fully folded position. Each line, the inner line and the outer line, do operate independently of each other. In the middle of the slide, we can see the inner line raised and the outer line folded down. This is an example if you have a narrow walkway in your garden where you only want to use a small amount of the clothesline and no need for the full clothesline to be utilised. On the right, we can also see the outer line folded up and the inner line folded down. And of course, both lines can be folded up or folded down. A wall-mounted clothesline can be mounted on the wall, obviously, and also can be mounted on posts. This is known as a ground mount clothesline. They do come in various sizes and can be folded down when not in use. They are also available on multiple colours depending on the brand and the manufacturer of the clothesline. When determining which type of clothesline to buy or which size, it's always good to consider the number of people in the family or the number of people going to use the clothesline. How often do you wash and what size are your wash loads will also have some bearing on the size clothesline you would buy. When mounting it on the wall, it's important to consider how much width is available on the wall. We suggest allow at least 50 to 100 millimeters each side of the clothesline. Some brands give you the option to have the clothesline made to a width that's suitable for your installation, or the other brands you can actually cut down yourself when installing them. Also the depth. Now the depth is limited with the double folding clothesline. There is only a few depths available, but again, this is the wall to you, which is referred to as the depth. The height of the clothesline is also important. We recommend 50 to 100 millimeters above the person's head who is going to use it most. Also at the clothesline store, we have a professional team for installation and removal services. A lot more information can be found on this at theclotheslinestore.com.au on our installation page. So thanks for visiting the Clothesline Store. I hope we have a clothesline and or an installation and removal solution for you. You can find out more information on all of our clotheslines and our services by either downloading our official Clothesline Buyer's Guide or calling one of our team on 1300 509 564. My name's Jason. Thanks for dropping by and bye for now.